So the Vendange Tardive late harvest wines is a great specialty of our family. These grapes are harvested in our very best locations, quite late, 4 or 5 weeks after the beginning of the harvest, with botrytis-affected grapes, and it produces wines of great depth and concentration with beautiful aging capacity.
There seems to be a misunderstanding about the use of late harvest wines, Vendange Tardive, which is our family specialty. Those wines can of course be paired with blue cheese, with foie gras, with goose liver, but I think the very best use of those wines is with honey. Not the honey from the bees, but your honey. And you will see, if you pair it with the right honey, you will see the sparkle in the eye, as on the first day.
In case of late harvest wines, so Vendange Tardive and Sélection de Grains Nobles, the grapes are picked and selected in several trials and then classically pressed, but very slowly, and then the juice, which is of course very, very concentrated, will ferment really longer. It starts very slowly and it ferments for many months, and we try it very often, and when we consider that the wine has reached its balance, which means sugar and alcohol, then it is racked, bottled in a very classic way, and these wines of course age on a very, very long time.
My role with the 13th generation will be to accompany the convention of the domain in organic, which has already started a few years ago.
It's for me one of the top wines that you can find in wine. You can have it young, you can have it old. If you have it young, you use it mostly on dishes which are, of course, full-bodied and rich, but mostly on fish. If it's older, if you have after 5, 6 or 10 years, you can use it on dishes like poultry, like venison, even if you have some game, yes. And it works very well with a cuisine which is more expressive. We can go on Moroccan cuisine coming from South of America, and of course Asian cuisine. It's a different style you have.
Yes, I'm sorry to be the last one of the 3 brothers who ran the company for over 40 years. Before it was my father Jean and his brother, and especially their father Emile, who brought the wines of Alsace again to their old reputation. And I'm very proud that the next generation is coming to join us in Recueil to bring the company to the best level.